Hey everybody, we are at the 2025 Milwaukee Media Event.
Yeah, they call it Pipeline. There's over 100 different products that we're going to get our hands on and show you guys.
Yeah, we're going to show you some stuff. Hey everybody, I'm at the Milwaukee Media Event. I'm here with Kate. Kate, thanks for having us here. And Kate's going to tell us a little bit about their 10 gauge nibbler, right?
Yep, that's correct.
10 gauges, pretty heavy stuff. So walk us through this.
Yeah. So this is the first 10 gauge nibbler in a cordless solution. So it's going to be able to cut through that very thick HVAC trunk duct.
So there is no other cordless 10 gauge nibbler out there?
Correct.
Not one?
Not one.
Okay, so this is kind of like a first to world.
Yeah, exactly.
The smaller ones, because I actually have a small one. But
yeah, so we have our 16 gauge nibbler. You will see there's like 14 gauge or there's corded tools out there. But when it comes to 10 gauge on a battery powered system, ours is the first one.
And then this is, it's heavy. It's got a bunch of collection
That's correct.
Metal shards, whatever.
Exactly. So this is our chip collection bag. It's really easy to clip on and off.
How effective is it? Like, can you see anything on the ground after you're done?
No. So as you can see, we'll do a cut, but there will be nothing left over. It's really good at collecting every last chip.
Because that's a pain point, and I hate those shards. They're nasty.
Yeah.
Let's see this thing cut. Yeah. So I put my earplugs on too late. Very, 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 very little, if anything, dust come off it, cut off. That's amazing. So how many feet can you little thing nibble, cut, whatever?
Absolutely. So this will get you 96 feet per charge on a 5.0 battery.
Interesting. And I noticed you've got it's like a decoupled handle here for a little vibration control.
Yep.
Is there any other vibration control in here for that, or?
So we also have just kind of the extra grip on our handles. That's really good at absorbing
it's just
some
the
of that
overmold
vibration. Yep, that's correct.
And then you pair this with a 5 amp hour battery?
Yeah, so you can get it kitted. It's available now for $6.99 bare tool.
And then how do you take this off? Right here?
So this will allow you to rotate the die holder so you can actually cut in multiple orientations.
Okay, so I can just turn this?
Yes, you're gonna, keep cranking it.
Yeah, okay, tell me when to stop.
Yep.
Loose.
Keep going, keep going. Yep, and then now you should be able to see it rotate. There you go.
Okay, all right.
Yep.
Kate, how much?
$6.99.
Kidded.
Bare tool, battery.
$6.99 bare tool is available now. Any other features on here besides reversible handle, safety, other things?
So this is a variable speed trigger.
Variable speed trigger.
Full control making those turns. Yep.
Oh yeah, okay.
Yep. We also have our shadowless LED light for better cut visibility.
LED light. Very nice.
Yep.
I like it.
And lastly, we also have a variable speed mode. So depending on what material you're cutting through, whether it's stainless steel, mild steel, or aluminum, you can slow down or speed up the cut speed.
That's very cool. Kate, thank you for having us. This was
much.
interesting, and I can't believe I can cut through 10 gauge. That's awesome.
It's pretty crazy.
Thank you, everybody. That's a wrap. What'd you think?
Oh, it was great. It was a lot of red, a lot of fun.
Yeah, innovation, passion. It was a good time.